In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a free 3D action figure using ChatGPT in just a few simple steps. This is a fun and easy way to turn a photo or character idea into a toy-style 3D concept with detailed cinematic lighting. Whether you want to make something for social media, a profile image, or just test out a creative idea, this tutorial will walk you through the full process from start to finish. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. The first step is to open ChatGPT. Once you're inside, you have two options. You can either upload a photo of yourself or of the person you want to turn into a 3D action figure, or you can simply describe the character if you don't have an image. If you're using a photo, make sure it's clear and shows the face well, because that usually gives you the best results. If you're describing the character instead, try to include details like appearance, clothing, pose, and style, so the final result feels more accurate and polished. Now for the second step, you need to use a 3D prompt. This is the part that tells ChatGPT exactly what kind of image or concept you want to create. A simple example prompt would be, create a 3D action figure of this person, toy style, detailed, cinematic lighting. You can paste that in as it is, or customize it a little more depending on the look you want. For example, you could add things like bold packaging, collectible figure, realistic plastic texture, studio background, or superhero style if you want the image to feel more dramatic and professional. Once you enter the prompt, ChatGPT will generate the concept based on your photo or description. If the first result isn't exactly what you had in mind, don't worry, you can refine it by adding more details. For example, you might say you want a more realistic toy design, brighter lighting, or a specific outfit. Small changes in the prompt can make a big difference in the final result, so it's worth experimenting until you get the style you want. If you're making this for content, a thumbnail, or a profile image, try a few different versions so you can compare them. Sometimes one prompt gives you a fun cartoon-style action figure, while another gives you a more premium collector toy look. That flexibility is what makes this method so useful. And because you're using ChatGPT, you can do it quickly without needing advanced 3D design software. Another helpful tip is to keep your prompt focused. The more clear and specific you are, the better the result usually turns out. Instead of using a very short prompt, add a few style words that match your vision. Words like detailed, cinematic lighting, realistic toy texture, high quality, and dramatic pose can help guide the model toward a stronger final image concept. You can also mention background colors, accessories, or packaging if you want a more complete action figure presentation. So to quickly recap, first open ChatGPT and upload your photo or describe your character. Then use the 3D action figure prompt to generate the style you want. After that, fine-tune the wording until the result matches your vision. It's a simple process, but it can create really impressive and creative outcomes. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy AI and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.